Alright guys.
Ayan na. Yay.
Tables.
Let's taste test. Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you.
Let's taste test. Wah, gusto Lord. Hindi may ginatrakan ay basta lumabay. Guys, feel na natin yung egg. Diba? Kukurog-kurog. I can't wait to try it. Okay, done peeling. Let's go. Oops. Ay, first, sorry. Wala tayo ng sanitize. Sorry lang. Ito nag-sanitize. Uy, sorry lang guys. Itlog pa malang to. Mainit man ang bowl. Marami kasi tayo pinuntahan. Kaya magsasanitize muna talaga tayo. Marami nating nawakan. It's done. Like chicken. Soup first. Yeah. Taste the original soup lang na. Wow. It's so good. It's so good from the broth itself lang yun. Wow. Tama lang ang spicy. Let's get some meat. Okay, some meat, then noodles. Eating time. Is it? Sili pala yun. Kahang ba?
Cheers. Perfect time.
Masarap guys, promise. Worth it. Hindi ko masasabi worth it yung pila kasi hindi kami nagpila.
Okay.
Ingat. Sarap. Success. Ang dami guys. Ang dami. Worth it na talaga. Parang 500 plus lang to. Worth it na. Tapos ang dami pang meat. May meat pa na extra. Tapos ito. Iced tea. See you on the next destination.